What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Oh, I see a couple guys exploring. So, last week I fed asparagus stems, 2 apple cores, a napkin, and then on the 31st I went ahead and I fed a few sweet potato leaves that I cut off one of my sweet potato plants. I just put that on the top underneath this paper towel, which I added then. So nothing really going on with them. You can see there's a little poo on them, so I guess they were at least crawling around on it. There's a piece of sweet potato from a few feedings ago. So I'll just put this all out on the lid. Looks like something sprouted at one point. I might still, that's a piece of the garlic scape. There we go. Seeing a little asparagus. Oh, and there's the napkin. There we go. So some good activity going on. There you can see how they're crawling into the asparagus stem. It's pretty neat. Okay, so there's still kind of a decent amount of stuff, so I'm not going to go real wild. To be honest with you, I don't even know what this is. But the worms are going after it, so it's got to be some type of food. Now let's see. Oh. Nothing really going on with the apple yet. I see a little bit of mold on that one. This one's definitely more mushy, and you can see the worms are kind of all over that one, so let's put them to the side for right now, and then just quick look through, see how the bin's looking, or the tower. So we'll add some newspaper again and some shredded mail into the feeding area. Just kind of put all that back. Oop, nothing too wild today. I do have another piece of pumpkin for them. And then a couple more pieces of the sweet potato. So now I'll go ahead and add the ground eggshell. And cover up the feeding area. Oh, there's another piece of asparagus. Oh, cool, I keep finding stuff. That's the stem from the banana peel. And here's it. This is all empty. This was from sweet potato from a few feedings ago. So cool. So at least they have plenty of food. I'll go ahead and add the worm chow to the top. Okay. I'll go ahead and cover that with that piece of paper towel. And do a quick check-in down on the bottom here. Yep, nobody's poking through, which is good. This is why I like to check. Because there's a little worm. So I'm not going to go ahead and agitate that lower bin, the lower tray. I'll just let them keep doing their thing. And I just like to double check, make sure that the tray's sitting on that bottom white tray. It has a little corner pieces to stabilize the tower. So today is the 8th feeding for this worm bin. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.